show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Fly high butterfly. Par-par-chi, papa-paru-paru-chi. Par-par-chi, papa-paru-paru-chi. Par-par-chi, papa-paru-paru-chi. Par-par-chi, papa-paru-paru-chi.
Sugar, oh honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wishing you another wonderful year of happiness and joy. Happy birthday, Father Ino. More birthdays to come.
Hello! Happy birthday! Cheers for another day of life. God bless you.
Hi, Father. Happy birthday sa iyo. Ang wish ko sa iyo, sana everyday kang good health, and pati yung family mo, and gabayan ka ni Lord sa pang-araw-araw. Yun lang. And salamat sa iyo, Father. Happy birthday sa iyo.
Happy birthday po, Father Rino. Wish ko lang sana always good health. Lagi kayong mag-iingat and mahabang buhay pa. Marami pang birthday na darating.
Maligayang karuan po.
Happy birthday, Father Ino. Maraming salamat po sa kabutihan mo sa amin, sa paggabay mo sa amin sa Our Lady of Hope, at naway gabayan ka ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa lahat ng iyong gawain. Wishing you all the best. Stay healthy and young and enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday po, Father Ino. Ang napakagaling at napaka-supportive naming coach sa Team Nemesis ng Maharlika. God bless po and more birthdays to come. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday to our beloved Father. I pray that God continue to bless you with strength, wisdom, and joy. Happy birthday!
Pinagpalang kaarawan po, Father Bishop. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit, guidance at panalangin sa amin. May the good Lord continue to bless your life and your ministry, and may He continue to guide you in your mission.
Happy birthday, Father Ino. May God's grace and love surround you today and always. We are blessed to have you as our spiritual father and shepherd as well. Many more fruitful years ahead. Once again, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Father Doc Ino. Wishing you good health for you and for your family, and more birthdays and more blessings to come. Again, happy birthday, Doc.
Hi, Father Ino. Happy birthday. Wishing you a blessed birthday today. We pray God's for continued grace, strength, and wisdom are with you as you serve Him. May your special day today be filled with joy and peace.
Hello po. Good day, Doc Ninong, Father Ino. Happy birthday po. More birthday to come, more blessings to come po sa iyong family. Thank you po sa mga prayers sa Team Nemesis at sa suporta po ng Olo family. Maraming salamat po. Palagi po kayo mag-iingat.
birthday, Father. Wala po akong masasabi. Napakabait mo po, Father. Napakagaling mo. Mabuti mong tao. So, ang masasabi ko lang po, ipagpatuloy mo po kung ano yung nasimulan mo. Alam ko kung mararating mo yun, kung ano man yung gusto mong marating. Sana lagi kang healthy, lalong-lalo na po ang iyong pamilya. So, sana humaba pa yung panahon na tayo'y magkita-kita dito, magkakasama. So, kahit minsan hindi, pero andoon yung time na magkikita at nagkakasama tayo. Sana po pagpatuloy natin yan. So, God bless you and more power. Sana po bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay na makapaglingkod sa ating Panginoon. Yun lamang po. Marami pong salamat and happy birthday po, Father.
This is your birthday. We gon' party like this is your birthday.
Father, happy birthday. Thank you for tireless efforts to spread the gospel, your kindness, and willingness to listen and guide us. Again, happy birthday.
Hello, Doc. Kumusta po? Happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best.
Hi! Hello, Father! Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po lagi kayong bigyan ng masilang kalakasan sa araw-araw, malusog ang inyong pangangatawan, at lagi kayong gabayan ni Lord, at maging happy ang inyong birthday. Maraming salamat po, Father, sa lahat ng ginawa niyong mabuti sa amin, at lalo-lalo sa akin po. Hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan, at nawa mahaba pang panahon ng ipanatili mo dito sa Bahrain, dahil ikaw lang nagsisilbing sugo ng Panginoong Diyos, gabay sa amin. Maraming salamat po muli. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Father. Happy birthday, Father. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Father Faustino. Wish all your best. Love you, Mama. Chup chup.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, mga sisters, especially to Father Ino. Pasensya na po. Busy lang po, pero nanonood po ako ng mga mas po ninyo. At namimiss ko po yung mga ginagawa natin dyan. Pero busy rin naman po ako sa chapel. First Advent po namin kagabi. Nag-video lang po ako kasi para lang po kayo batiin ng happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa inyo, good health, at sana po lahat ng inyong request, lahat ng inyong gustong mangyari sa buhay ninyo ay matupad po lahat. Ilayo po kayo sa disgrasya, sa sakuna, at ang inyong katawan ay laging malusog at masigla. Maraming salamat po. Nang ako'y nandyan po, marami pong salamat sa tulong ninyo. Basta namimiss ko po talaga dyan. Baka lang po sa Dubai ako pumunta. Kunin po ulit ako ng anak ko, pero bakasyon lang po. Uulitin ko, happy birthday, Father Ino. Ingat po kayo, mga sister. I miss you all. Ingat din po kayo. Advance, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Father! Sana po patuloy pang manalo ang Nemesis sa mga susunod na laro.
And happy birthday, Father, ulit. And God bless and good health.
More power po, Father, sa Nemesis team.
Hi, sir. Happy birthday. Abay talaga lang, ang bilis ng panahon na. At matagal na rin tayong hindi nagkita-kita. Sana makapag-abroad tayo uli. Happy birthday, wishing you a good health. At sana mag-meet tayo dito sa UAE. Ang layo kasi ng Bahrain.
Hi, Doc Ino. Happy birthday. And wishing you all the best
sa iyong career, successful career, and happy family and good health. And may God continue to bless you as you perform your role as a priest, as a father to your family, as husband to Admi, as coach of the Nemesis, as advisor of the Guardian, as a researcher, as a friend, lahat-lahat na. So, all the best, and sana ay magkaroon pa tayo ng maraming travel, maraming pang mga researches, and more memories. Happy birthday, and stay as you are.
Magtatanong lang po, ilang taon na po tayo ngayon. I know you are enjoying your day at sana naway you will enjoy more birthdays to come kasi happy kami ni Aaron pag naririnig namin na enjoy ka sa birthday mo. And I hope there will be more birthdays to celebrate. Baka next time yan, kasama na kami doon. And we are looking forward for those birthdays na ma-attend namin sa'yo. Anyways, happy birthday to you.
Yes, Doc Ina, happy birthday. I hope mabigyan ulit tayo ng time to be together. Like before, we're spending time for research and more research to come. And I hope by this year, you will have less stress, less paperwork, more blessings, and good health. Yan lang naman ang wini-wish natin always as OFW. And of course, continue to serve the Lord. That's the most important. And from UAE to Bahrain, lahat ng friends natin dito, on behalf sa kanila, happy birthday na lang sa kila Junjun at mga tao dito sa bahay. Happy birthday. Bye.
Yo, Father, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day and kita-kits po later. Bye-bye po.
Birthday, Father!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligaya, maligaya.
Maligayang bati, Father Eno. And we thought this birthday picture was appropriate. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Father. Peace.
Father Eno, happy birthday to you. Father, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo kasi sa Panginoon, of course sa Panginoon, at pangalawa sa iyo kasi ikaw yung ginawang instrument ng Panginoon na tumulong sa akin sa isa ka pinaka main requirements ko sa visa application ko dito, but it's still on process at this moment. And sana naway ipagkaloob ng Panginoon ang hinihiling ko, ang heart desire ko at ni Craig. Father Eno, wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come, more energy in the basketball court. Kasi alam ko lagi kayong nagbabasketball. Maraming salamat po sa kabutihan mo, yung nandyan pa ako sa Bahrain, at hanggang ngayon dala-dala ko yung pag-ibig ng Bahrain na hindi mawawala-wala. Part talaga ako sa Our Lady of Hope. At yon, maraming salamat at regards sa lahat. Bye-bye! Mga sisters, sobrang miss ko kayo. Nandito kayo sa television ni Craig. Sana.
Bye from Australia.
Bye from Australia. Bye. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. birthday